In this video, I'm going to show you two easy ways to change your wallpaper on your iPhone, and this is using iOS 17. So the traditional way is to press Settings. From here, you want to scroll down and find Wallpaper. It's beneath Accessibility. So when I select that, you'll see what you're currently using, and you can scroll through the different ones and select the one that you want. Or you can add a new one, and if I select that, you'll see a bunch of different options. The customization is a lot on iPhone. Now, let me show you the other way to do it because this is new, I believe, to iOS 17 or 16. So, what you want to do is turn off your phone and go to the lock screen. And when you're on the lock screen, what you want to do is press and hold. And this is going to zoom out for you and it'll show you all these different wallpapers that you currently have. Now, if you want to delete it, you can just simply scroll up and press the trash can button. And you can also change it as well here by going to the side and adding a new one or selecting one of the ones that you've already created. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.